Welcome, this is Mo from Five Brothers. Today I'm here with my brother Omid.
Hey guys.
My brother Omid is a certified mechanic. He's been in the business for more than 10 years. He's here today with us to talk about top 3 important do-it-yourself maintenance that prevents expensive damages in the long run. Welcome Omid.
Thank you.
So can you tell us about top 3 important maintenance that you can do it yourself to prevent expensive damages?
Sure, I would be happy to.
So what are those 3 things?
Let's start with basic. Air filter. Air filter job is to keep the air system clean. If you don't change the filter on time, it causes decrease of power and average MPG.
Alright, now can you tell us about the second maintenance?
The second maintenance, to check the fluids. Sure to check all the fluids. For example, the engine coolant. If you keep driving your vehicle without the coolant, it might overheat and damage the head gaskets.
Alright, we're gonna keep this video short and sweet, so let's talk about the third maintenance.
Tire pressure. It can affect the alignment. Also, it can wear out the tire faster.
Alright, I want to thank my brother Omid for coming out today and teaching us about top 3 maintenance that can prevent expensive damages. Any last advice for us?
If you keep with those maintenance, your vehicle will run better and last longer.
Alright, thank you so much. I appreciate it for coming out today. I thank you guys for following us and subscribing, commenting on our videos. We're gonna have more videos out soon as well. Please let us know if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to answer that. We're gonna have Omid come out a lot more often, and we're gonna have him answer a lot of our questions. Thank you so much, Omid, and have a good day, guys.